Ram Narayan Ram. In today's special episode, we will discuss the topic of caste and religion. Nature has created all of us equally, without any discrimination. However, certain so-called spiritual leaders on earth have divided humanity into various castes and religions, creating feelings of discrimination in people's minds. People started basing their actions solely on caste and religion. Why do we forget that we all belong to the same earth? We live on the same planet. Yet, society has divided this earth into fragments in the name of caste and religion. If this continues, the entire world will become enemies of one another. Instead of spreading enmity, we need to deliver messages of love. Instead of sowing seeds of hatred, we must plant seeds of love in people's hearts. In modern India, caste and religion remain deeply rooted issues that have tightly gripped people's minds. This grip is so strong that the majority of the population remains entangled in it. If everyone were judged based on their deeds and natural principles, and society operated accordingly, many of the problems faced by various communities and regions would be resolved automatically. The issue of caste and religion in India is centuries old and plays a significant role in dividing society into various groups. Discrimination based on caste and religion not only goes against humanity but also hinders social progress. Caste, originally designed as a social structure to divide labor, over time became a means of permanent identity and discrimination. The sense of superiority and inferiority based on caste has fragmented society, depriving many communities and minorities of education, employment, and equal opportunities. Even today, crimes, discrimination, and social inequality in the name of caste are bitter truths of our society. These limit our thoughts and hinder our progress. Religion, which was initially meant to elevate a person's spiritual and moral character, has, over time, become a tool of division and conflict. Today, religion is often used in politics as a vote bank strategy, promoting religious extremism and intolerance. To eradicate the discrimination of caste and religion, it is crucial that we surrender ourselves to nature and connect with Ram Narayan Ram before it's too late. Caste and religion can never be tools of social or spiritual progress. Instead, they sow seeds of hatred in people's hearts. Today, caste and religion have become the root causes of social inequality and conflict. The time has come for us to eliminate these divisions and build a society that is egalitarian, secular, and progressive. This is only possible when we listen to our inner conscience, connect with nature, and chant the name of Ram Narayan Ram regularly. Nature is the greatest religion, and everyone needs to understand this. When a person connects with Ram Narayan Ram, life gains a new perspective. This new perspective provides fresh energy and paves the way for a successful life. Through Ram Narayan Ram, people are always taught to keep a positive outlook, perform good deeds, and help others as much as possible. Ram Narayan Ram consistently strives to eliminate the negative energy prevalent in society, replacing it with the light of awareness and understanding. By connecting with Ram Narayan Ram, people are transforming their lives and progressing continuously on the path of success.